Channel the timeless elegance of Jennifer Aniston with a sleek bob and bangs. This style adds a playful charm to your look. To maintain it, use a flat iron for a polished finish and a heat protectant spray. Regular trims keep the bangs sharp. Embrace drama with Kim Kardashian's long, luscious locks. This glamorous style is perfect for those seeking elegance with minimal effort. Choose shades like deep ebony or chocolate brown to enhance your natural undertones. Opt for wigs with a natural hairline for a realistic appearance. Make a statement with Lady Gaga-inspired bold colors. Vibrant hues like electric blue or fiery red are in vogue. Ideal for music festivals or themed parties, these wigs demand attention. Balance the boldness with subtle makeup to keep the focus on your hair. Exude sophistication with Meghan Markle-inspired classic updos. Perfect for formal events, these styles offer effortless grace. Use bobby pins and stronghold hairspray to secure the updo. Wig clips or an adjustable band ensure comfort and security throughout your event. For a relaxed, natural look, try Blake Lively's effortless waves. These beachy waves add glam to everyday wear. Use sea salt spray for texture and lightweight mousse to lock in the waves. Perfect for those who adore a laid-back yet stylish appearance. Selecting the right wig enhances your natural beauty. Consider your face shape. Oval faces suit most styles, while round faces benefit from longer wigs. Square faces soften with waves, and heart-shaped faces balance with shoulder-length styles. Find a wig that complements your features.